Welcome to our first mukbang.
We are Newcomb Turner. Oh, look, Spencer.
What?
This is our first one, and we've already got 1,500
Viewers? Dumbass doesn't even know what she's doing. That's the seconds, not the viewers. Shit. Well, today for our first mukbang, we got McDonald's, the Golden Arches. What'd you get?
I got a quarter pounder meal with fries and a sweet tea. What'd you get?
I got a.
Was it wrong?
No, that's right. I got not 6 tenders, but I got the world famous McRib.
Half my fries are in the bottom of my bag.
Yeah, I've been eating on mine. Lots of napkins, that's good.
Can you see that?
Yeah, look. It smells so good.
Give me half an onion.
Alright, where's our salt at? Oh,
And fries.
and fries, yeah, duh. You always get fries. You always get McDonald's fries. But they aren't salty enough, so we're putting our own salt on it. We like our fries salty. There went all my salt.
How much did you collect? Was that just one package?
So good. Man, this is dirty too. That's how I like
Look
it
at that.
dirty.
That's how you like it dirty.
How about this McRib?
Oh.
All the barbecue sauce everywhere. You know, it was only my second time getting a McRib.
Is that fake? What is a McRib?
Good.
I mean, is it chicken? Is it
What?
pork?
Do you eat chicken ribs?
McRib, so it's fake.
It's not
Rib.
fake. It's a McDonald's rib sandwich.
So it's fake meat. Does it taste
No.
fake, like fake meat, or is it real meat?
No, I mean it's real. It's meat. Mystery meat.
Oh god, it's so good. I got it all over my face.
Damn, this thing's too
I
big
like
for the
stuff
knife.
getting all over my face.
Okay. Here's my McRib.
Oh shit! Don't spill it on your pants.
It ain't on my pants. Oh shit, it's slipping off. All over the place. Fries going everywhere.
That don't look. It's kind of nasty to me.
Well, hey, I'm not here for a long time. I'm here for a good time. So good.
This is my favorite quarter pounder with cheese.
It's a good mystery meat.
Sweet tea.
Oh yeah, we got sweet tea too. World famous sweet tea.
Oh look, now we got 427 viewers.
Yeah.
We got some on here. There you go.
You messed my mustache up. So good, so messy, sloppy. Sweet tea.
We can't beat McDonald's sweet tea.
No.
Mm-mm.
Not
It's
even
almost
Mama.
as good as Sonic's sweet tea.
Well, no, Sonic would be almost as good as McDonald's. If McDonald's is the best.
Well, I think Sonic tea, sweet tea might be better. Maybe it's the ice in Sonic drinks.
Yeah, probably.
We got some Aerosmith playing. Oh, I love like, you know, I don't like the hard fries.
Oh yeah, the soft limp ones you like?
Yes, I like the soft limp ones.
That was gonna break. Alright, let's finish this McRib. Look at it.
You're doing pretty good. You haven't got one drop on your shirt.
I know. That never happens. You need to get in the picture.
We're at the river. I'll show you.
But you can't see the river.
Can't see the river though. Is it good?
So good at making dick throb.
Is it throbbing now?
Pretty close. Pretty close.
Spencer, tell everyone what Newcomb Turner does.
Well, a typical day with
Not
Newcomb
nice,
Turner is a lot of arguing,
Arguing.
figuring out what we're going to do for lunch,
Mm-hmm.
and then eating lunch.
Mm-hmm.
And we can't forget vaping.
Mm-hmm. What's mine?
I don't know, where'd you put it? There you go.
Shout out. Shout out to Smoke, Best Mod, Mag P3. Biggest one you can find, which I like. I like them big. You get, you know, you suck on it like this. Get your lips really good around it.
Tight lips.
It's Smoke Mag to P3.
Man, this is good. We should have got an apple pie.
We should, yes. I forgot they had apple pies. I almost got one of them Oreo blast thingy. Or them Oreo, what do you call them? Not shakes, but like blizzards.
McFlurry.
Yeah. Oreo McFlurry. Them apple pies though are good.
I like those holiday pies.
Years ago, I would go to McDonald's just to get a apple pie.
The original McDonald's.
I got a piece of it in my teeth.
for the big finish. So good. Hope I don't have to pay for this later.
I'm sure you will.
Probably.
I can't find. I don't really have any limp fries in here.
Well, and more.
Ooh, how about a chocolate sweet tea?
Salty, pale yellow. They're not hot. Are you done already?
Yeah.
Hungry.
Mm-hmm. So tomorrow for lunch, or I'm sorry,
Not tomorrow. Tomorrow's
Monday.
Saturday.
for lunch. I'm sure I'll have to decide again because Spencer here will
Here we go.
not make a decision.
Because she doesn't like my, you know,
He always wants to go to the
suggestions.
taco truck.
Can't wait till we
Taco
do that.
truck.
Till we do that mukbang. Man, we should have done a thumbnail with our food.
What's a thumbnail?
Like when you get a picture, or when you look on the YouTube,
Uh-huh.
because it's sitting live,
Uh-huh.
you know. And that picture that shows before you click on it, that's a thumbnail.
Oh, and it puts our name on it. Like,
Well,
no,
you have
that's
to
a
put your
tag.
name on it.
That's a tag.
So much to teach. Well, I guess I'm done with this messy food.
Alright. So in conclusion,
It was pretty good.
quarter pounders, as always, didn't disappoint.
McRib didn't either. It's just a lot of fake meat,
McDonald's,
you know. Floppy
floppy
fries.
fries, always good. Sweet tea,
I like mine stiff, so.
and short like that. You like yours stiff
Oh
and
no.
short?
Oh no. The more dick, the better.
I didn't have the McRib, so I don't know.
It was good.
But
I think Monday we should try new stuff.
that's messy.
It's real messy.
Yeah.
Real messy.
So if you get a McRib,
Get ready for the napkins.
you gotta have all these ready because you're gonna need them.
All right, well,
Okay.
we're done with lunch. Back to work we go. Happy
For next
Friday.
time, we are Newcomb Turner. Bye.
Peace.